Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design and assemble a pressure vessel in SolidWorks. This is the pressure vessel ASME standard 8. So let's see how to make in SolidWorks. Tank and manhole cover are different. Here we will assemble. So let's see how to do in SolidWorks. Now here we will make the first part of pressure vessel pressure tank. So let's start. We will select front plane, a sketch. First draw a center line, draw a vertical and a horizontal center line. Make sure it is vertical and it is horizontal. Now let's start. Choose a line, draw a line and just go back this point and it automatically converts a radius part. Click up to here and again go to this point and it automatically convert and up to this point. Okay, now we will assign the dimension. First we will assign this distance, keep 1000 mm, 40 mm. Okay, make this radius 120 mm and this radius 1200 mm. Okay, but select this construction line and this point, make relation coincide. That's it. Okay, now one more, define the distance from this center line, 595 mm. Okay, now select let's do the offset entity. Select here 5 mm and select it should be outer dimension and select yes. Now just do one thing, mirror this, select this all line and mirror about this vertical line. See, it's going to mirror here. Okay, now select line and connect from this bottom line to this line. Again select from top line to this line and here bottom just close. Now exit. Now our geometry is fully defined. Five mm and this is 120 mm. Now select revolve boss base. Select this line as a axis. Choose 360 degree. Okay. Now here we will assign the first material, polished steel. So this is our tank. You can see half section view. See, this is our tank. That's it. Now let's first define one plane. So choose top plane and make the length 740 mm, flip direction. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, normal. Do one thing, draw a horizontal line and make sure it is passing through origin. Now draw here some circles. Let's define the dimension. 114 mm. Okay. Make three circles equal, 1, 2 and the last one. Make relation equal. Now let's define the distance from here to this line. One 98 mm, and the distance between these two lines 600 mm. Key 400 mm, 520 mm, and just check. Actually this distance we want 170, but delete it. Delete this distance. Now define this distance 170 mm. Here we want to make one pallet. Okay. Now choose offset entities. We want to make offset for each circle. Keep offset 3.6. Select this circle inside. Try this circle and try the last circle. Okay. Again choose offset entities. And here we will define 6.5 mm and select this circle. Make sure inside. Okay. Now these 4 circles created, now we will extrude it. This all circles. And make the length 151. It should go little inside the tank. See, is going little inside the tank. Select OK. Now again choose the same sketch, or select this previous sketch, select extruded cut, and here clear this and select inside line. Reverse direction, select inside line, that's it, and you can little increase. Now this is going to cut the hole inside the pipe. Okay. Now see, it makes the now just hide this plane. Now you can see it here. This is the inlet and outlet ports for a pressure vessel. Now let's move for the next part. Now choose front plane, sketch, normal, and choose here corner rectangle and draw a rectangle. Select this line and draw up to here. Now define the length and width 250 mm, 5 mm. and the distance from this line keep 372 mm. Okay, again choose corner rectangle, and here also we want to define one more. Define the length 250, 5 mm, and the distance from here to this line 372 mm. Okay, now we will select revolve boss base. Now we will try to revolve it. First do one thing, draw a center line. Now select revolve boss base. Now see, it is 360 degree. We want not 360 degree, keep 65 degree one direction, and select direction 2 also. See, 65 degree both the direction. Okay, now see, a support is created, tank support. Now let's move for the next part. Again choose front plane, sketch, normal, choose corner rectangle, and here also we want to draw, select this top line, keep 250 mm, 5 mm, and the distance from one end to this end line keep 125 mm. Okay, select one center line, vertical center line, make sure it is vertical. Now select this all line, just mirror about this line. Okay, now it is mirror here. Now we will make it revolve boss base. Delete this line, choose center line and draw a horizontal line. Exit. Now select this horizontal line and try to revolve boss base. See, it is also going to revolve here 360 degree, but we want only 8 degree both direction. Okay, now this is the base plate for lifting hook. Here we will make lifting hook. Let's try to make lifting hook. Choose front plane, sketch, and here we will make some lifting hook. So first draw a center line, choose a mid line, select line, connect from one end to this end, go up, exit. Draw here two circles, one small, one big. Now let's define the dimension. 60 dia, and this outer one 120. This height keep 45 degree, and the bottom length select 100 mm. Choose line, connect this line to this, exit. Now select both the lines and circle and make relation tangent. Okay, choose mirror. Now mirror these three lines. 1, 2 and 3. Mirror about this line. Okay. Choose trim entity and trim this inside lines. Select OK. Now define the center from 90 mm. Now this geometry is fully defined. Okay. Now we want to mirror this to next direction. So do one thing. Just select, draw a one vertical line. Okay, it's vertical. Just mirror. Select this all geometry. Mirror about this line. See, it's going to mirror here. Okay. Now let's try for extruded boss. Choose here mid plane. Select 8 mm, merge. Okay. Now this is the lifting hook for pressure vessel. You can lift this hook, this tank with the help of this hook. Okay. Now again choose front plane, sketch, and here we want to create some base. So select corner rectangle just below this point. Keep the length 250 by 5 mm and the distance from outer line 388 mm. Okay. Again choose one corner rectangle and draw just below this point. This is the distance. Okay, and extrude this. Actually we are going to make the base for this tank, and choose here direction D1 55. See, select direction D2 555. This is the base plate for base. Select OK. Now we will create one plane. So choose top plane, plane. (743.5 mm). Okay. Choose this plane, sketch, normal, and here we will draw a one circle for inlet. First draw a center line. Now draw a circle here. Let's define the diameter. (89 mm). Choose offset entity. Draw a one circle. Select this circle. Inside. Keep 5.5 mm. Okay. Now define the length from here to this line 169.5 mm. Okay, now select extruded boss, keep the length 169.5 reverse direction. It should go inside 10 mm to the tank. Okay. That's it. Now hide this plane. This is the inlet. Now again choose the same axis, extruded cut, and selected here, select clear, select this inside circle only, and we want to cut, so make little deeper. Okay. Now see, a hole is created inside the tank. Now here we will make some manhole. Choose right plane, sketch normal, and draw a vertical and horizontal line. Select line and start to draw from here. Again choose a line. Exit. Now let's define this distance. .8 keep 10 mm. This make little upward. Define only 3 mm. That's it. $225. Keep 23 mm. 5 mm. The length 63.9 and this length 47.5 mm. Okay. This one little drag upward direction. That's it. And this overall length, make sure this length should be, now here we will change first this dimension 220 and this one make 308 point, let's make 5. Okay, now drag this one inside. Okay, select this both the lines collinear relation select these three lines, center line and these two line, and make relation concentric, symmetric. Okay, then define this length, keep 34 mm, and the distance from here to this line keep 35 mm. Okay, now select the distance from bottom line to this line, (294.9). Okay, now our geometry is defined. Let's define this also, 6. Okay, now select revolve boss base, select this line as a axis, see it's going to rotate, revolve, select OK. Now see it is revolved. Now select this face, sketch, select this inside circle, convert it and choose extruded cut and cut up to inside because we want to make a hole. Okay, now see the hole is created here. Now we will make the base. So first we will do one thing, select right plane, plane, and we want to create a plane, reverse direction, keep 497 mm. No, we want actually the midpoint for this. So cancel it. Select this plane, and choose this side. So see it comes mid. That's select both the end faces. Okay, now our plane is created. Select this plane, sketch, normal. So let's make the base first. First draw a center line. Select line, start from up and connect with tank, exit. Now let's define the length from here to here, or cancel it. Do just mirror this line, these both the lines. Okay, now connect this end to this end. Okay, now just make this length, delete this relation first. Now try to change. Delete this symmetric relation. Again we need to delete this coincident relation. Let's do one thing, delete this also. Now define 1050. Okay, now select these three lines, there is solution, and make relation symmetric. Now it is in center. Okay, now select this outer line, convert line, connect with this line, mirror this line. Okay, now let's extrude it. Cancel. First trim this outer circle. Okay, it is coincident. Now select extruded boss here, and here choose 8 mm, but make sure mid plane. Okay, now see, now select this face, sketch normal, and here also select corner rectangle and start from this line and connect with outer line of this. Draw a center line. Define the distance 100.3, the width 8 mm. This is the actually rib or width gate. Now select mirror, select this and mirror about this line. Okay, now again choose, now start from this point up to this line, define the width 8 mm. Okay, now we will make one relation. Select these 3 lines and make relation symmetric. Okay, now these 3 geometries are created. Now we will, now these 3 strips or width get created here, so let's extrude it and extrude up to, choose here surface, select this outer surface and make sure it is unmerged result, because this is the width gate and another part of this tank. Select OK. That's it. Now choose this plane, plane number 3, mirror, and select the bodies. Select this 3 bodies separately. Select OK. Now you can see it is mirror. Now select right plane, mirror. Now here we will select first feature, this body, then part and mirror. Select OK. Now see, it is mirror. So this plane number 3rd you can hide. Now the base is ready. See, this is the base of pressure vessel or tank. The base is ready. Now we will add some flange and some hole in manhole. Here we will change the color, steel, the whole body so it will look visible. Okay, this brush is brushed steel. It looks nice. Now select this face, sketch normal, and here we will create the holes. First draw a circle. and create the diameter 755 mm. Okay, select this circle and make as a construction geometry. Now draw a circle here and keep the diameter 30 mm. Okay, choose circular pattern, select this center point and here select this circle and increase number of holes, make number of holes 30 number of holes we want. Okay, now select extruded cut and here choose up to next. See, beyond backside. Okay, now the manhole cover holes also created. Always keep perspective so the ratio looks real. Now here we will make some hole for gauges or pressure gauge or there are many gauges in pressure vessel. So choose front plane and create one geometry just beyond the 650 mm. Okay, select this plane, sketch normal, draw a vertical and horizontal line, select line, draw a line here, select 40 mm, select offset entity, keep 5 mm and select inside. Okay, and define the width and length for 25 mm and the length from this line keep 195 mm. Okay, now just select, we want to mirror it, select both the circle, mirror with this line. Okay, now let's select extruded boss. Select reverse direction and make sure it should be inside the tank. Now it's inside the tank, make 280. Okay, now again choose the same plane, sketch extruded cut and here delete and select this inside circle. Okay, now the hole is created inside the face. Now we want to just mirror it, so choose right plane, mirror and select this cutout and extruded body. See, it's going to mirror here. Okay, now see, it's mirrored. Now you can hide this plane. First we will save our this picture. Go to desktop, create a folder, pressure vessel. and select this first part, tank or vessel. Now here we will make some hinge part for the locking of this manhole. So we will create first one plane. Select this or let's select this face plane. Make 120 mm. Okay. Now select this plane, sketch normal again, and choose here this line. Draw a vertical and horizontal line. Okay. Select line. Select this line. I think not this line, we should identify this. Select this inside line. Again choose a line. It's not going to select. Up to this line. Select this three line and make a relation. It should be symmetric. First make horizontal and this one vertical. Now let's try to make a relation symmetric. 100 by 140. Select corner radius 30 mm. Okay. Choose offset entity 10. Select this line inside. Okay. Now close the geometry. Exit. Choose here. Now here you can see we created this geometry here. Select extruded boss. Select this face. Choose here mid plane 70. Okay. Now select this face, sketch normal, and draw a circle here. First draw a center line, this end to this end. Now select circle and draw a circle. Keep the diameter 70 mm. Draw one more circle and keep the diameter 48 mm. Okay, and select extruded boss and extrude up to 8 mm only. Okay, see, that's it. Now select, we want to mirror this, so do one thing, we will choose top plane. mirror and select this extruded part. See, it's going to mirror here. Okay, now see its mirror. Now again choose this is sketch, extruded cut, and here select inside circle, and select extruded cut up to OK. But we want to cut through all, so edit, and this one choose through all. See, it's going down. Okay, now the hole is created. That's it. Now hide this plane. Now select this face, sketch, normal, and here we will create some flanges. Keep the diameter 108 mm. Again draw one more circle. Choose here for construction and define 80 mm. Select circle, keep diameter 20 mm. Select pattern, select this as a center point, 4 numbers. OK. Now select this outer circle of pipe and convert it. Now we will extrude this and keep up to 12, 13 mm. OK. Now see, the flange is ready. Now we will just do it. We will mirror this flange. First mirror against top plane. OK. Select geometry pattern. Cancel it and do one thing, just unmerge this body, edit this flange. Okay, it's already unmerged. Now try to mirror top plane, mirror, and select here body and choose flange. Now it's going to mirror. See, it's mirror now. Now choose right plane, mirror, select this body and this body. OK. See, the flanges are mirror. In top face also we will create a flange. Keep 220 mm. Create one more circle. (175 mm) and draw a circle with diameter of 30 mm. Keep 25 mm. Select this circle and point, delete, and select this point as a center point. Okay. This outer pipe circle, convert it, and this inside circle construction line. Now select extruded boss and up to 15 mm. Okay. Now this is the top level flange. Now here also the flanges. Keep 220 mm. Keep 170 and draw a circle here, 25 dia. Select this circle as a construction geometry. Choose linear circular pattern. Select here circle and point here. Select the center of this. Select OK. Now this one is created. Now we will try to copy here this all portion. So do one thing, choose linear pattern, select this all and keep the dimension 600 mm. See, it's going to transfer here. Okay. Now select this outer circle, convert. Here also convert. Now the same as draw one circle here. Now this we will extrude it now and extrude up to 15 mm. Okay. Now the last flange we will try this circle, this pipe. Keep the diameter 220 and here draw one more circle and draw a small circle. Now let's keep this 170, 25. Choose circular pattern, select the circle and select the center point, this one. Select this outer pipe dia, convert it, construction geometry. Now select extruded boss and keep 15 mm merge. Okay. Now all the pipe outlets flanges are created. Now see, our vessel is ready almost. Now save. Now in next part we will create the manhole cover and a lifting hook. Now here the next part is manhole cover. So let's start. Choose front plane. Select horizontal and vertical lines. Let's start from here. And connect with this point. Now let's assign the dimension. For 106.4 mm, 34 mm, and this one 3 mm. And define this length 63.9 mm. Okay. Now select revolve boss base. Select this line as a axis. Okay. Now define the material steel, brushed steel, or let's make a stainless, but brushed steel is quite better. Now select this face, sketch normal, and here we want to create some holes. First draw a path. Choose for construction geometry and 755 mm. Select circle and draw one circle here and keep the diameter 30 mm. Okay. Now choose here circular pattern. Select this circle and draw up to 30 holes. Okay. Now select extruded cut and choose up to next. Okay. Now see the bolt hole created. This is the hole for bolt. Now again choose the same surface, sketch, and here we want to create some, choose line, draw a vertical line. Select this line, convert. Select circle. (32 mm). The distance from here to this point take it down this and up to coincide here. Now define the gap. 13 mm. Okay. Select star point, define two star points here. Exit, define the gap. 120 mm. Okay. Select both the star points and center line and make a relation. I think we have to define one by one. Let trim outside line. I think the whole deleted. Return back. Select spline. Choose 3-point arc. connect with this line, mirror, now select this both the point tangent, choose trim entity and trim this outer part. Okay, tangent. This point little drag, just coincide with this. Okay, now select a line, choose offset entity, select this circle and keep distance 5 mm. Now connect this line with this point, again choose and same this point up to this. Now choose trim entity and delete outer portions. Okay, this geometry is sufficient for us. Select extruded boss. Select here up to surface. Select this back surface. Okay. Edit and here choose unmerge result. Now it's looking better and visible. Now this is the manhole cover. Save this part. Pressure vessel. Part number 2. Manhole cover. Now here we forget to add one more thing. We will add here some lifting hook material. So choose front plane, sketch, normal, draw a center line and keep the distance 20.45. Select circle and draw a big circle. Select better center point arc. Select this point as a center and draw a circle up to here. Now let's define the diameter. Keep radius here we will select 74 by 2. That's it. Now select line and draw a vertical line from this and define the length 280 mm. That's it. Now define the distance from center point. Keep 6 mm. Okay. Now here choose sketch 5 mm and select this end. Okay. Now exit. Now we will define one plane here First do one thing, choose top plane, and select this point. Now here we define the plane. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, normal, and draw a circle here. Select this. This is the exactly point, and define the diameter 14 mm. Okay, now exit. Now we will try to make extrude command, swift boss base command. Profile selected, just select the path. Select OK. Something missing, so do one thing, edit, make bigger 10 mm, exit. That's it. Now see, now hide this plane. Now the manhole with lifting hook. Now save as. Now let's go for the next part. Now the next part is third part, lifting support, lifting accessories. So select front plane, sketch, select line, draw a geometry. Now let's define this geometry. 798 mm by 400 mm. Okay. Now exit from the geometry. Now again choose top plane, sketch, select circle and draw a circle here and keep the diameter 48 mm. Now exit. Select sweep boss base. Now see this calculated, and here choose thin feature. Keep 3 mm but inside. Okay. Assign the material polished steel. Now see. Now we want to make one support here, so select this line 45 degree plane. Select the same plane. Okay. Now select this plane, sketch, normal, and draw a circle here. Okay. Select extruded boss up to next. One direction. Select direction to up to next. And choose here thickness. Keep 3 mm. 2 mm. Inside. Select OK. Now see the support is created. Now hide this plane. Select top plane. Select a center line and draw a circle here. Keep 14 mm. And the distance from outer line keep 23.65.15. Okay, and select extruded cut. We want to cut through all. We want to make a hole here. Okay, now see, the hole is created. Now save this part number 3, lifting support. Okay, now let's start the assembly of pressure vessel. Now here we will start the assembly of pressure vessel. So select new assembly, and here the assembly window open. Let first browse the first part. Choose our file from pressure vessel. Select first vessel. Keep plain background. That's it. Now insert the next part, lifting support. Make matte. Select this hole and this. Okay. Define the gap. (25 mm). Okay. Now see, it is rotating here and there. Now insert the last part, manhole cover. First rotate the manhole cover. Select OK. Select this rod, coincident. This is concentric relation. Okay. Now you can see it's rotating like this manually. Now here we will make one relation. Select this face and this face. Concentric relation. Okay. Now see, our manhole is fixed. Just select perspective view. Choose section view, or we will define. Select the front view and vessel front view, matte. First right click, float. Now choose front plane, matte. Okay. Top plane and top plane of matte. Okay. Now the last one, right plane and right plane of tank, matte. Okay. Now our geometry in perfect center of the assembly. Just check section view. See, this is the whole of half view of pressure vessel. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks, and thanks for watching.